Welcome back to 242 Math. I am your host, Raphael Thompson, and today we have a treat for grade 4 students and parents. Let's see how they can handle this test, skills test. Hope they can get 100% on it, guys. Here we go. Question 1. Write the numeral 10,602. So write the numbers for that number word. 10,602. Let's see if you can get that done. Grade 4. And we move on to question 2. Write the number that this place value chart shows. Look at the chart. It goes up to thousands. It has thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Write the number that the place value chart shows. Use numbers. Question 3. Write the place value of the underlined digit. Notice I have place value in bold. Place value of the underlined digit. So see if you can get that one done. The place value. And we move on to question 4. Write the number from the box that can be rounded to 40. The numbers in the box: 45, 34, 52, 36. Which of those numbers can be rounded to 40? Give it your best shot. Here we go. Question 5. Write the ordinal number in the statement. There were 5 students in the race and Ray came second. Read it, and from that statement write the ordinal number. Got it? Good. And we move on to question 6. Write the number from the Roman numeral. Write the number for the Roman numeral, and you're dealing with Super Bowl LIV. What does LIV stand for? Super Bowl fans, Super Bowl is coming up. So what's LIV? Got it. Question 7. Use the correct symbol to compare these fractions. The symbols are there. The fraction to the front is half, a half, and at the back is 3/4. So use the correct symbol to compare those two fractions. And we move on to question 8. Write the missing number. Look at what you're adding, the numbers you're adding. The answers are given. Write the number that is missing above that 2. Do it quickly. And we move on to question 9. Let's go, folks. During his exercise routine, Ray ran for 45 minutes, then walked for 25 minutes. A. How many minutes was he exercising altogether? And B. Convert your answer from A into hours and minutes. Let's go, get cracking. How many minutes was he exercising altogether? Do that first. Then once you get that answer, use it to find the answer for B. Convert your answer from A into hours and minutes. Got it. Let's move on to question 10. Kim read 230 pages in a book with 658 pages. How many pages are left for her to read? Kim read 230 pages in a book with 658 pages. How many pages are left for her to read? Let's get cracking, grade 4. Let's go. See if you can work it out. Question 11. Circle the word that best describes the movement of the flamingo. Is it a flip, a slide, or a turn? Circle the correct answer. Let's go, let's go. And we are moving on to question 12. Find the area of this rectangle, and the rectangle measures 8 meters by 5 meters. 8 meters long and it's 5 meters wide. What is the area of this rectangle? Get it done. Let's go. Let's go. Question 13. The Venn diagram shows the preference of some students for vanilla or chocolate ice cream. How many students like vanilla ice cream? How many students like vanilla ice cream? Put an answer. Got it? Question 14. Freeport had 2.3 inches of rainfall while Nassau experienced 1.5 inches of rainfall. How many more inches of rainfall did Freeport have? Freeport had 2.3 inches of rainfall and Nassau had 1.5 inches of rainfall. How many more inches of rainfall did Freeport have? See what you have to do. Do it and put an answer. Moving on right along to question 15. 6 students shared 24 marbles equally. How many marbles did each student get? 6 students shared 24 marbles equally. How many marbles did each student get? You should know what you have to do. Go ahead, get it done. Get an answer. See if you can get that one correct. Let's go, grade 4. And question 16. What is the probability of picking the letter E randomly from the following word? And the word is Eleuthera. Eleuthera. What is probably picking the letter E from that word? See if you can write it as a fraction. Get it done. Write your answer as a fraction. And question 17. Mel put 3/8 cups of sugar in the lemonade and put 1/8 cups of sugar in the fruit punch drink. How many cups of sugar did she use altogether? Mel put 3/8 cups of sugar in the lemonade and put 1/8 cups of sugar in the fruit punch drink. How many cups of sugar did she use altogether? Yeah, that's right. My wife channel is Melda 242. So if you want some cooking hints, go to her channel, Melda 242. And we go on to question 18. The bar graph shows the number of students and clubs at the Nagua All-Age School. How many students are in the writing club? How many students are in the writing club? Look at it. Calculate your numbers. Write an answer. Let's go, grade 4. Here we go. And we are moving right along to question 19. Circle the best metric unit to use to measure the real capacity of a drop of water. Would you measure it in liters? Would you measure it in kiloliters? Or would you measure it in milliliters? What's the best metric unit to use to measure the real capacity of a drop of water? Moving along to 20. Name this quadrilateral. What is the name of this quadrilateral? I'm not marking spelling, but spell it as best as you can. Once it looks correct, you will get the points. Name this quadrilateral. Got it? Excellent. 21. How many faces does this shape have? How many faces does this shape have? Count them up. Put a number to show the number of faces. Okay? We're going to move right along now. That's 21 and move on to 22. There are 25 boys and 18 girls in grade 40 at the Yellow Elder Primary School. How many students are in this class? There are 25 boys and 18 girls in grade 40 at the Yellow Elder Primary School. How many students are in this class? Look at your numbers, figure out what you have to do, put an answer, get it done, work quickly. Because we will move right along in a minute. And the minute is up. Here we go to question 23. A box of cornflakes costs $5.25. How much change will I receive if I paid the cashier with 2 $5 bills? A box of cornflakes costs $5.25. How much change will I receive if I paid the cashier with 2 $5 bills? Look at your numbers, figure it out, work it out, put an answer. Let's go, grade 4. Let's go. Question 24. Fill in the missing items on this tally chart. Favorite ice cream flavors of students in grade 4L. The flavor, the number, and the tally. So if there's a number, you have to put the tally. If there's a tally, you got to put the number. So see if you can fill that out and get those correct. Put the correct tally marks or put the correct number. Work quickly. And we move along to question 25. Write the coordinates for the triangle. Locate the triangle and write the proper coordinates for the triangle. Remember, you use parentheses or brackets. Write the coordinates for the triangle. Get it done? Got it? Good job. 26. Add 3,498, 2,745. You will have to do regrouping. Grade 4 students, you should know how to regroup. Let's go. Get this one done. Do the proper regroupings and you would get the correct answer for this. If you can't get this correct, you have to practice this again and again. You can't skip things like this on a grade 4 test. And we move on to 27. Subtract 3001. Take away 1,239. 3001. Take away 1,239. This is with renaming. So you can't duck this either. You have to be able to rename in order to subtract. So get it done quickly. See if you can put the correct answer. Let's go, grade 4. 28. Multiply 3.07 times 4. 3.07 times 4. This has regrouping in it as well. So see if you can put the correct answer when you multiply. Let's go, work it quickly. Put an answer. 4 timetables. You should know how to multiply using your 4 timetables. Look at my video with tables. Then it will give you an idea what you have to do. Moving right along, question 29, divide. 624 divided by 3. 624 divided by 3. You should know your 3 timetables as well in grade 4. So this should be a piece of cake for you to do. Just one little trick involved with this. And you're okay. 624 divided by 3. Put the answer, get it done. Let's go. Let's go, grade 4. And we're moving on to question 30. Write the missing numbers on this table. You're adding 15. So there's an 8. See what you have to do with 8. And then there's a 25. See what you have to do for that 25. Put those 2 missing numbers in on the table. Remember, you're adding 15. Use that to get your answers. Get it done quickly. That's the last one, grade 4. You know what's coming up next. Yeah, we will look at the answers. Let's see how many you can get correct out of 30 on this first test. Here we go. Answers are upcoming. Number 1, write the numeral 10,602. Wait on it. Let's wait on it. There it comes. 10,602. That's how you write that. 10,602. Number 2, write the numeral that this place value chart shows. 2,000, so it's 2,350. 5 tens, no 1, so you have to put a 0. So it's 2,350. Write the place value of the underlined digit. Place value, wait for it. Place value, you must know place value and value. This one asks for place value, so it's in the tens place. You must write it properly. Tens place. The value is 40. Write the number from the box that can be rounded to 40. Wait on it, wait on it. Which number can be rounded to 40? Yes, it's 36. That's the only number there that can be rounded to give you 40. Hope you got that correct, grade 4. Let's move right along. Question 5. Write the ordinal number in this statement. There were 5 students in the race and Ray came second. Wait on it, wait on it. Ordinal number is second. Yes, 5 is cardinal. So second shows the order, so it's an ordinal number, second. Write the number for the Roman numeral Super Bowl L-I-V. What's L-I-V? Wait on it. 54. L is 50. I-V is 4. So that number is 54. That's question 6. Move on to question 7. Use the correct symbol to compare these fractions. Which fraction is smaller? A half. So you point it to a half. So a half is less than 3/4. Always point it to the smaller number, smaller quantity. Write the missing number, and you are adding. You have the answers. So 3 and 5 is 8. What number with 2 gives you 6? It has to be 4. Here it comes, 4. So the missing number was 4. Question 9. During this exercise routine, Ray ran for 25 minutes, then walked for 45 minutes, then walked for 25 minutes. How many minutes was he exercising altogether? Add 45 and 25, 70 minutes altogether. Now convert that 70 minutes into hours and minutes. How many hours? 60 minutes is 1 hour. So take away 60 from that. What are you left with? 10. 1 hour, 10 minutes would be the answer to part B. Next, Kim read 230 pages. The book has 658 pages. How many pages are left for to read? You have to subtract 658, take away 230, leaves you with 428. Subtract. You have to do the subtraction for that one. No renaming. Circle the word that best describes the movement of the flamingo. Is it a flip, slide, or turn? Wait on it. Wait on it. Here it comes. Where is it going? Slide. It's the same thing. Once you have the same thing, it's a slide. So that one is a slide. Find the area of this rectangle. It measures 8 meters by 5 meters. Area is length times width. Length times width is 8 meters times 5 meters. 40 square meters. You have to put that square there for meters because it's meters times meters. If you didn't put it, you do not get all the points. The Venn diagram shows the preference of some students for vanilla or chocolate ice cream. How many students like vanilla ice cream? The answer is not 4. So do not put 4. If you put 4, you got it wrong. Vanilla ice cream is the whole circle, so it's 4 plus 3. 7 students like vanilla ice cream. That's the answer for that one. And Freeport had 2.3 inches of rainfall. NASA had 1.5 inches of rainfall. How many more? Means you subtract. So it's 2.3, take away 1.5, and you have to rename, and you get 0.8 inches. Excellent if you got that correct. You have to know how to rename in subtraction. Grade 4. Next, 6 students shared 24 marbles equally. You are dividing. Once you see sharing or shared is division. So you divide 24 by 6. 6 times what is 24? 6 times 4. So each of them would get 4 marbles. Once you know your tables, you will know how to divide. Next, what is the probability of picking the letter E randomly from the following word? That word has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letters. How many E's? 1, 2, 3 E's. 3 over 9, 3 ninths, or 1/3. Once you get 3 ninths, that's correct. Or you could have reduced it to 1/3. Mel put 3/8 cups of sugar in the lemonade and 1/8 cups of sugar in the fruit punch drink. How many cups of sugar did she use altogether? 3/8 plus 1/8. Add them. 3 and 1 is 4. And the denominator is 8. 4/8. Or you could reduce it to a half. So it's 4/8 or a half. Once you get 4/8, you're correct. The bar graph shows the number of students in clubs at the inaugural high school. How many students are in the writing club? Identify the writing club. That's the first one. How many boys and how many girls? There are 9 girls, and there are 5 boys. There are 9 and 5, 14 students in the writing club. Circle the best metric unit to use to measure the real capacity of a drop of water. Drop of water is pretty small. Let's wait on it and see what it is. Wait on it. Where is it going? Yeah, it's going to milliliters. A drop of water is small. The liter bottle would be like the bottle of water. So it will be milliliter. And name this quadrilateral. Once you have the answer and it looks like it's correct, you would get marks for this. What is this quadrilateral? It's a trapezium or trapezoid. Any of those would be correct. Trapezium or trapezoid. One pair of sides that are parallel. How many faces does this shape have? Faces would be the flat surfaces. Count the flat surfaces on a box. And how many would you get? 6. Yes. Top and bottom, side, 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 side. 6 faces. The flat surfaces would be the faces. And next, 25 boys and 18 girls in grade 40. How many students? 25 plus 18 is 43. You had to regroup to get that. Box of cornflakes costs $5.25. How much change will I receive if I pay the cash with 2 $5 bills? How much is 2 $5 bills? $10. $10 take away $5.25 leaves you with $4.75. Hope you got that correct. And fill in the missing items on the tally chart. 11. Let's wait on 11. Let's see the tally marks for 11. Here we go. 11. Yes, those would be the tally marks for 11. And let's see for the chocolate, how many? That's 8 for those tally marks. And then put the tally marks for 9. That would be the answer for that one. There you go. Write the coordinates for the triangle. Where's the triangle? And you look at the number on the x-axis first. That number is 2. Then look at the number on the y-axis. That number is 3. And put it with parentheses. Parentheses, open parentheses, 2, comma, 3, close parentheses or brackets. Same thing. And you're adding 3,498, 2,745. You have to regroup. And the correct answer would be 6,243. That would be the correct answer for that. You would have had to been able to regroup to get that, guys. So practice that over and over. Subtract. You have to rename 3001, take away 1,239. You would have to rename to get this done. And the final answer, 1,762. Practice this. Also, grade 4 students, you have to be able to rename when you're subtracting. Multiply, you have to regroup. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 zeros, put the 2. 4 3s are 12. 12.28. 12.28 is the correct answer. You should know how to use your 4 timetables to multiply. You're dividing now 624 divided by 3. You say 3 into 6, 2. 3 into 2, 0. 3 into 24, 8. You must put that 0. 208. If you have 28, it's wrong. So you can't, 3 cannot go into 2, so you say 3 into 2 is 0, then say 3 into 24. Write the missing numbers on this table. You're adding 15. 8 plus 15, wait on it. What do you get? 8 and 15? 23. Now, the answer was 25. So when you subtract 15 from 25, you get 10. That's it, guys. Hope you got all of them correct. Thank you for watching. If you did not get it, go back, look it over, work them over and over until you can get these correct. That's test 1 for grade 4. And we will see you in the next